6 reasons you should not pick Orlando for your next home. When people think of Florida, their minds jump to Orlando. With its world-famous theme parks, entertainment, and central location, it seems like the obvious place to live. But appearances can be deceiving. Orlando might look like the dream, but living there comes with too many nightmares. The Space Coast, on the other hand, offers a blend of serenity, affordability, and adventure that makes it an unbeatable option. Here's a detailed look at why you might want to reconsider that Orlando move and pack your bags for Florida's East Coast instead. Number 1, Orlando traffic, the nightmare you didn't sign up for. Living in Orlando means one thing: endless hours stuck in traffic. At the center of this misery is I-4, often ranked one of the most dangerous highways in the United States. It's a sprawling stretch of asphalt where accidents, constructions, and sheer volume create a commuter's worst nightmare. If you're hoping for a smooth, peaceful drive after a long day at work, Orlando isn't the place for you. Even side streets can get clogged, especially with the throngs of tourists darting between theme parks and hotels. Want to make a quick trip to grab some groceries or meet a friend? You'll need a solid plan and sometimes a prayer. The Space Coast difference. On the Space Coast, traffic jams are a rarity. Most of the time, you're cruising along scenic routes, passing palm trees and coastal views. Even during peak tourist hours, it's manageable, and while you might have to wait for a rocket launch to clear, that's a delay worth celebrating, not stressing over. Number 2, Orlando's tourist invasion versus Space Coast tranquility. There's no denying Orlando's global appeal. Millions flock to the city every year to experience Disney World, Universal Studios, and other attractions. While that's great for the local economy, it's less great for residents. Living in Orlando means sharing your favorite hangouts with tourists constantly. Restaurants, shops, and even parks are filled with vacationers. And it's not just crowds. Prices in tourist-heavy areas are inflated, from gas to groceries. Even a simple dinner out can feel like a splurge in Orlando's bustling entertainment districts. The Space Coast difference? While the Space Coast does attract visitors, they're typically here for the quieter side of Florida life, surfing, kayaking, or watching a rocket launch. Tourists on the Space Coast tend to blend into the laid-back vibe rather than overwhelm it. You'll still have your favorite beachside cafe or fishing spot, mostly to yourself. Number 3, Orlando's rising cost of living. Orlando might not have the glitz of Miami or Tampa, but it's catching up in cost. Housing prices have skyrocketed in recent years, with modest homes in suburban areas selling for eye-watering amounts. Add in high property taxes, rising rent, and inflated utility bills, and suddenly Orlando doesn't seem so magical anymore. The Space Coast difference? On the Space Coast, you get a more bang for your buck. Housing is far more affordable, whether you're looking for a charming bungalow, a modern condo, or a sprawling waterfront property. Plus, there's the natural beauty that you don't have to pay a premium for $1 million view. You can just walk outside. Orlando's landlocked life. No beach, no breeze. Sure, Orlando has lakes, but let's be real, they're not exactly the same as the ocean. If you're craving sand between your toes or the calming sound of waves, you're out of luck. And the city's central location means you're stuck with Florida's sweltering heat and humidity and no coastal breeze to cool you down. The Space Coast difference? Living on the Space Coast means you're just minutes from some of Florida's most beautiful beaches. Whether you're a surfer, a paddleboarder, or someone who just loves to relax with a good book by the ocean, there's a beach here with your name on it. The Atlantic breeze keeps the air cooler and more comfortable, even during the dog days of summer. And if you're into wildlife, the Space Coast is a paradise. Manatees, dolphins, sea turtles, and a variety of bird creatures are just part of everyday life here. You won't find that kind of natural connection in Orlando. Orlando's entertainment versus Space Coast rocket science. Orlando is synonymous with theme parks. While Disney and Universal are undeniably fun, they're also pricey and crowded. And once you've ridden Space Mountain a dozen times, the magic starts to wear off. Entertainment in Orlando is often expensive, repetitive, and heavily geared towards tourists. The Space Coast difference? The Space Coast offers you something you can't find anywhere else, a front row seat to the future of space exploration. Imagine watching rockets launch into the stratosphere from your backyard or attending events at Kennedy Space Center. This is where history is made, and you get to witness it firsthand. And it's not just about space. The Space Coast is brimming with other activities, from beach festivals to art shows, surf competitions, and seafood fest. There's always something happening, but it's balanced with plenty of opportunities for relaxation. The community vibe, laid back versus overload. Orlando's hustle and bustle can feel overwhelming. It's a fast-paced city that's constantly growing, and while that has its benefits, it can also feel impersonal. The Space Coast difference. Communities on the Space Coast are tight-knit and welcoming. Neighbors know each other, local businesses thrive, and there's a strong sense of pride in the area. Whether it's a beach cleanup or a farmer's market, you'll get plenty of opportunities to connect with others and feel at home. The final countdown, Orlando versus Space Coast. Orlando might look like the star of the show, but once you peel back the curtain, it's clear that the Space Coast has more to offer. From affordable living and uncrowded beaches to the relaxed pace of life and unparalleled access to rocket launches, the Space Coast isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. So skip the tourist traps and traffic jams and instead set your sights eastward and discover why Florida's Space Coast is truly out of this world.